A4 brush. Now let's go and make some art. Drawn paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie. Artie? Hello? Artie? Hello. It's nice to see you.
Welcome to Artie's show. So happy you are all here.
Guess what we're going to draw? Well, no, not that. We're going to draw a waffle. Your favorite. Go and get your marker pens.
There's nothing more exciting than Artie's blank piece of paper. I'm excited to see what Artie creates today.
Me too, Betty. Are you ready to draw a delicious, yummy waffle?
Yeah.
Me too.
Okay. Can you believe how high we are on this counter? I can see my box from here.
Yes, Mikey, you are pretty high up. Okay, let's start drawing the eyes. First of all, we'll do a little oval and a second little oval. Make sure to colour them in black. Now, draw a larger oval around the right one, all the way round. That's it. And then on the left side, draw another oval, all the way around the little one. Two eyes. Let's do a smiley mouth. Draw a curve and a big tongue. Do a line from the tongue to the end of the curve. That's right. And then shade it all in black. Let's do the same on the other side. Make a little triangle. Shade it in black. That's a really funny looking face, Artie. Now let's draw a strawberry. Up in the top right hand corner, we'll draw two curves and then the little leaves on the top of the strawberry. Don't forget the stem. There it is. Now let's draw a straight line down towards that strawberry. Very good. Now let's draw some syrup dripping down from that line, oozing down from the top of the waffle. Do a big nice wavy line at the end, a big blob of syrup. Yummy. Now we'll do a straight line down on the left and another line right next to it. Do a little curve into the tongue and another one on the outside. Now let's do the same on the right side. A straight line down and another straight across the bottom from the tongue and then curve up to connect the whole thing.
Wow, this is amazing.
So fun.
It is so much fun, isn't it, Betty? Now we're going to draw all the little squares inside the waffle. To do this, we just draw thin black lines across and we make a grid. A grid is a series of squares in a nice even pattern. This thing is already making me hungry, Artie. Take your time and draw the squares as neatly as you can, one square at a time. This takes a little patience, but it's worth it. The end results look so good. Just a couple more squares to finish. Dance break? Okay, let's stop and have a dance break.
I feel a dance break coming on.
When you're feeling low and thinking, where am I gonna go from here? And you look around, you're sinking. Just look for me, I'll be right there. Ooh,
Watching Artie dance is so much fun.
you can count on me when times get hard. You don't have to be afraid, I'll be right there. Ready to lift today, no need to worry. I'll always pick you up, we're in no hurry.
Watching Artie dance makes me so happy.
You can count on me. I'll be right there. I'll pick you up. I got you.
As a judge, it is my judgment that is a 10. What a great dance break, Artie. And you got 10 again.
Man, I love a great dance break.
Okay, let's give this waffle some hands and arms. We'll start with the hand on the left side. That's right. Very good. And then let's do an arm going all the way down to the waffle. I like how you're doing little wiggly lines for the arm, Artie. Now the right hand. Are you going to do a wiggly line again for the arm? Oh yes, good. That looks great. What about some shoes, Artie? Oh, good. You're doing some funny little shoes. Wiggly line legs. I think he needs another leg so he doesn't fall over. That's an interesting angle for the shoe. Wiggly line leg. Oh, I understand now. He's dancing. A cute dancing waffle. Finished. He looks wonderful, Artie. I can't wait to see how you're going to colour him in. You're finished. He looks fabulous. Did you enjoy drawing him? I love the purple colour of the syrup. I especially love his red strawberry, red tongue, and red shoes. Wonderful work, Artie. Great job.
Goodbye, Artie!
Hey kids, have a great day.
You have a great day too, Mikey and Betty. Well, little artists, have an arty day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.